Hello party people, it's me, your girl. Today I found something called the FreddieMeter. Can you sing like Freddie Mercury? And you have to know one thing about me. I used to be in a choir and a band. So I love me some singing. And I love me some Queen. And today we shall find out if I sing anything like Freddie Mercury. Because I'd like to. So let's do it. Well, do I have to do the whole Bohemian Rhapsody? Because then we'll be sitting here for a while. Oh boy, the sun is coming out. Oh, I'm befriending my wall, color-wise. Hi, can you still see me? No, I'm not a ghost. At least not yet. So, I already warmed up a little bit. So here we go. I have no idea how this works. Why am I nervous? Mama just killed a man, put a gun against his head, pulled my trigger, now he's dead. Mama, life had just begun, but I've gone and threw it all away. Mama, didn't mean to make you cry. If I'm not back again this time tomorrow, carry on, as if nothing really matters. Yeah. Yay? Maybe? My pitch apparently needs some work. Is this bad? I thought I would be better. It's been a while since I've regularly sang, so... Oh, well. FreddieMeter was made with the Mercury Phoenix Trust, a charity founded by Brian May, Roger Taylor and their manager Tim Beach in memory of Freddie Mercury, who died in 1991 from AIDS-related causes. In the last 27 years, the Trust has funded over 1,000 projects around 56 countries in the global battle against HIV or AIDS, giving away over $17 million. That's cool. I don't have the money right now, but if you want to, I will put the link down below, so if you want you can donate. I will try again, maybe with a different song. I like Somebody to Love. I actually like this. Oh boy. I don't know the lyrics as well as Bohemian Rhapsody. Let's say it this way. But I will try it anyways. Okay, maybe I'll need another song, because I don't know Somebody to Love apparently this well, so don't stop me now. This should work better. Tonight I'm gonna have myself a real good time. I feel alive, and the world I turn it inside out. ecstasy. So don't stop me now. Don't stop me, 'cause I'm having a good time. This will be worse. Yeah. 69. I don't know the song this well. You know what? I'll be trying Bohemian Rhapsody again, because this is the one I know inside and out. Mama just killed a man, put a gun against his head, pulled my trigger, now he's dead. Mama, life had just begun, but now I've gone and thrown it all away. Mama, didn't mean to make you cry. If I'm not back again this time tomorrow, carry on, as if nothing really matters. Better? Worse? Hey! Okay. Well, would you look at that? Okay. Almost 80%. I'll take it. So, I will link this video in the description box down below, so you can do this test too, if you like to. Let me know in the comments down below what your score was. Just a general percentage, or if you want to, the more specific diagram maybe too. Like I said, if you like to. This was fun. So, thank you so much for watching. I hope this wasn't too bad for your ears. I really like to sing. I know I'm not this good at it, but I really like to sing. I hope you liked it, and have a day.